Peppa Pig Nature Trail by Lorraine Horsley. Peppa Pig and her family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has a map. "We need our picnic basket, too," says Mummy Pig. But the picnic basket is still in the car. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. "Look down there," says Peppa. "I see footprints on the ground." Peppa and her family follow the footprints. "A bird made these footprints," says Mummy Pig. "Look up there, in the tree," says Peppa. "I see some birds." There's a mommy bird and 3 little birds up in the tree. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. "Look down there," says Peppa. "I see some ants." Peppa and her family are hungry, but they need to eat, but the picnic basket is still in the car. Daddy Pig looks at the map. "I don't know the way back to the car," he says. "I know," says Peppa. "I see our footprints too. We can follow our footprints back to the car." Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away. "I know," says Peppa. "I see some ducks over there. Ducks love the rain and they love picnics. We can follow these ducks back to the food in our car." The hungry family follows the ducks all the way back to the car. Then the rain stops. "I love picnics in the woods," says Peppa. The birds, the ants, and the ducks love the picnic too.